Keisha could have gone. Not even clothes them, me see. I wonder if in there run a shop. But you don't go in a shop and me not see clothes. Not even you clothes me not see.
So Keisha,
Yes.
why you say I go meet you in KAVIL now?
He too lie man cause he say he no lose the work and he know say he lose the work. And he have woman a friend that takes on something.
Keisha.
You want to know some see Keisha with one bag of clothes and the youth are go down the road they do.
Yeah.
Yeah man, he pack up, you see he pack up and go down the road man, you don't even know. Yeah,
Alright, let's see a word, Michi. Respect.
Alright, let's see a word man.
You won't even understand in the day when somebody tell a lie and then honest to you. You not even would understand how you feel. Right now see me a call me not even go answer. Right now me I get up go and go feed and lay down here.
I know you said that we if a big man like me, you know. Bad boy like me, you know. You ride without probably with a pink and white bicycle, that's not right. But you have to go link Keisha. Because walk one right. Have to go link Keisha. You have to borrow that. God, do my punch all pick my bicycle. What me gonna tell little girl say? I go foot the rest away now. Come and put your bicycle on my man. Keisha! 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 You know you're in there, Keisha.
Where you want my youth?
I come to talk to you, baby.
You don't say me no want hear nothing from you
Yeah,
because you're not faithful. You want lied man, me no want hear nothing from you.
Keisha, I can't bother the back like that. Just pack up the cinema, go back home. Reach home, we talk about everything. Everything we talk about.
After you lose the work and you tell me say you don't lose the work and you have woman a friend a message and then you come at me yard and come go call me but if you come back home, best thing you do take your bicycle and come out of me yard. You hear me I tell you?
The reason I never tell her say you lose the work is because I don't want you to worry. And the girl a foreign are just my friend.
My youth, just leave me yard and go and you hear me I tell you? Because I can't take your likeness with you. You say you're the girl a friend and you text the girl and I tell the girl certain things. I don't want anybody to hear my voice. Just take up a bicycle and go on because I can't take your line no more. I'm tired of it.
You can't just pack up your things and all left so. I not
Right.
move until you pack up and come back up. I not left you so. I left you so. Remember me tell you I not left you so. You have to come with me. You hear me say? You have to come. You can't just do me that so. I not left until you pack up and come with me.
Alright then. Since as you're big, bad and brave, you not move till me pack up, well, me I go pack up and come here. Just wait here, me soon come. Don't move, you know. Make sure you don't move. Me I come fit you. Just hold on. Me I pack my bag and come here. Make sure.
Come on, both you pack up your clothes and sleep and card. I know you better hurry up and come because I know some fuck more want all in the idea. You know. See all in bag of chatting and bag of excitement. Can't work with it. Mama just hurry up and fuck up this and come here and wait. Right now I we and the punch up bicycle and go up on the hill. Remember me tell her.
Hey, wait,
Yo.
wait,
Keisha, what is that, Keisha? Eh? What is that? Me go left. Me I go left.
Get
Me
up,
I go left.
Aaron. Get up, get up. And
Now
don't
go
come
left.
back in the yard again. Don't come back. I'm going to take up a dirty hat. Come go take up it. Get out of my shade.
Boy, child and crosses. Those woman nearly get chopped out, the pants tear out. Boy, KAVIL child and crosses real. Boy, that's why they ain't the worst. People I get chopped up. Woman rush me down, me jump and skin over like boy. Feel all the way, Father God. I really a strongest soldier this.
Yes, mommy? Yes, mommy? May I come? Yes, mommy?
Eat anything from morning?
No, mommy.
So you need from morning? Me I want bologna sandwich, so you can eat it and drink it with the ensure when you're ready. Abby? Abby?
Yeah.
The fridge you want to clean out. When you're done, you clean out the fridge. The stove, you know, your stove. And
Abby.
look around. And me I want to shine my around about. Use the and dust down your furniture and things. And if your sister want any little thing,
Abby, pull
you
this
can
in.
make sure you get something to eat and by share. Just pull it something for your sister now. You know your share ask you.
So she could have waited till you're done talking, mommy.
Hello, just pull it something for your sister. And remember when I tell us if you do, may I go down the road and come back and spend I think 15 minutes. You hear me say?
Crystal, you can go feed some run back for me, please.
Come here, honey, your food. You can go feed yourself.
From morning me in the kitchen, I do enough things. Me I tidy up a room, girl. I'm just send her for the fab. And you behave so? Is that right, Crystal? Me go feed myself. How are you?
Yeah, drink Lucas, you do. You do everything when me ask you to do in the house.
Yes, mommy. I clean out the fridge, wipe down the stove, and I wipe down the furniture. Then do everything what you asked me to do already.
Where your sister there?
Me don't know, you're supposed to tell someone in there, so.
Oh, call her for me.
Alright, mommy. And them something you up here are going with. Give me this.
No, Abby, give me my phone. No, Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that. Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that.
Relax yourself, child. Relax yourself. Relax. You're not strong on me. Crystal. But wait there. And them you see here you do?
Give me my phone, man. I'm a private business. Give me my phone.
Make a screenshot this. You see anyhow me ever beg you do something and you refuse to do it or you talk to me no wrong way, girl, me go show mommy this. Cause this man when beg you go for fab. I hear how you talk to me and them are something you up here so I do. Hey, all this. Anyways, mommy I call you so come on. Here are your mommy.
I was running back. Come here, I want to talk to you. I go up by passport place, you know, to finish your side paperwork, right? And by farm, you see police record and school history. So when we want to make you know, I don't want you get in no trouble. You understand me? Try to avoid certain argument, even if I figure where you're right and take for them wrong. Because I want you to pick everything to go through and you go over stay with your father. And you understand me? And things. So just to try to no argument with nobody, just stay put. You're my daughter, I love you. And you're pretty young. I don't want you to end up in a certain situation. Like, you're going to end up get pregnant. You know why you feel think about no boy. Focus on your schoolwork. You understand me? And you see, even when you get the chance and go to America, a lot of opportunity over there. You understand me? You have to just know and just do the right. Right? Another time for no boy. How will you look for around this? So? Nobody know around it. Me say, you know if you have no boy in your head.
I'm not interested in no boy. No, I have no boyfriend. I focus on my schoolwork. But I'm not gonna lie. Look like I will have one boyfriend because she borrowed me from my ex-boy.
Wagwan Abby, how you look so stressed out?
I said that show up on me. I know nothing too tough though. I'm just there and I say life stress out. It's stressing when you're ready, yeah, girl. But then anything, I know nothing tough though, but where you go by the way?
You know, so I done the shop, I go buy 2 pounds of chicken and I go run a boat or something. If I anything you can call me or text me, because my number not change.
Yeah, girl, me do that.
So look more, I will see you.
Alright, girl.
Alright.
Abby! Abby! Abby!
Yeah.
Come here. Let me talk to you about, I know you feel say you come in age of consent now. I don't want Crystal a little girl. I don't want you draw Crystal in nothing way I do. You understand what I say?
I want me involve Crystal in the money.
Hello, no bother with the excitement. Only thing I tell you, don't involve Crystal in your man going in. Tell me something. You know borrow a phone and I text man and I send picture. Go give man.
Me, mommy?
You say nothing bother with the excitement. Take time. Me talk to you. You know use our phone and text man. I send man picture. Me not understand. No involve him in your man. Galang because remember you come and feel so me can't tell you what you do now, you know. Because you're a big man now. But me I tell you this, don't bring her in a hit. You hear me I say to you? Hello? You hear what me say?
Yes, man.
Alright.
sir, what a girl wicked man. No, sir. Crystal. Alright, me know me I go do. Alright, Crystal. Say hi the phone for girl.
Because he come like you know what I feel from one of you. So I have to hide it.
No, girl, we're good. Girl, we're a sister, we cannot live so. So, I go delete the screenshot them. I'm gonna go by the show mommy. So, your secret safe with me. Oh, girls, me get some lash here. I know you love them, so here.
Oh, really, sis? Really? Thanks.
So, sis, who the boy there you talk to?
I'm a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ever seen it?
Yeah.
So, how me you don't know about that?
Girl, me never choose to tell you.
Oh. Anyways, I can invite him over because I like to meet my brother-in-law.
You mad girl? Me can't make him come. You must see my mama kill me.
No, girl, no worry about that. I got you covered. You're my sister, and I'm not going to make nothing happen to you. And which part mama gone now, she not come back for now. So, just call him and make me meet him so you can see him and him just come quick, and then he can go back.
You sure, girl?
Yes, sister, I know I got you back. Just text him and make him forward.
Aye.
Mommy, the JPS man, them coming up. And I said them come fit cut off your light. How me I tell them say I wrong place them that them still a come. Them still a talk about I right place. Yeah, you have to come country. Come fast.
Crystal. Come here.
You can't come in, go stand in on left top out there, so. Oh, wait, I want your sister-in-law.
That's it.
Anyways, we soon come here. I'm going to do something around here, so I'll come back here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Boom, ya come, get up.
I want to go. Abby! I want to go on your son.
Mommy, I'm glad you come catch her.
Who him? Who you be? What happened, so? Start talk now.
A Crystal boyfriend.
Crystal boy, who?
Crystal boyfriend.
No, me no be.
Introduce yourself, brother-in-law.
So, Crystal, you really out of yourself and carry man in a yard. Ain't after me talk to you other day, little girl about boyfriend and something, you're not ready for that yet. You pass your place. Young man, you catch me on a good day. Can you say for the one next day? Go on here, you come, you left here and you come in a piece, so I make you left here in a piece. Don't come back on my place. You, after me talk to you other day, I tell you about now, man, you're not ready for that yet. You're still out of yourself and carry man coming here. Eh? You don't understand your little girl.
You see it now, mommy? She come and tell you one bag of something about have man and you believe in all these things. And see it there? You catch an innocent princess. You catch her. Anyways, explain yourself to mommy, me gone. Yeah, bother.
You know what? Me deal with you later. Give me your phone. Go in our house. You know, star, no matter how you talk to them and pick me these last days, they nah, you know, make no sense what you tell them. You could have preached to them like John Paul. They not take no telling. Oh man. I'm just on JPS man. Yeah.
Abby. I know nursing school no one going up. Yeah. Even though mommy don't have no money, I go try my best to get one nice job and sum up some money to go nursing school.
And that really still not actually stress yourself about.
You mean when we did under the tree over the side of there?
Yes, girl.
No girl, a different thing I think about. There's a lot on my plate right now. But we're gonna get some water. Watch your girl. No water no there. I look how far we walk come up here so no water no there.
That I least some but don't let rain go fall.
Come on, girl. Yes?
You want some more after something?
Where you want? From the other day, me vex with you, you know. But me not ready to deal with it yet, you know. But what you want?
I have no all accoutrements.
No all what?
Accoutrements.
What you call accoutrements?
Like when you get cut, man. Like when your hand get cut.
Oh, you mean the first aid kit?
Yeah.
What you want it to do?
Me have my school project people.
Oh, see the in I cupboard but underneath, down in I bottom base, you'll find in there.
Hi.
Yeah. Come here. Crystal, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. You hear me I tell you? I don't like the video hugger right now. I don't like it. And you probably feel say me no love you. Me love you, me your mother. You understand me I say? So when me talk to you and make you know say you're not ready for no boy. You don't need that right now. You understand me? You don't want that, you're not ready for that. You only go mash it. You know, you see other day what you do? I try to make me feel, you know, I disrespect me feel so bad. If you know say you carry man come in here after me talk to you day in, day out, Crystal. You see that one time down? Mash you down. Wicked, no matter police that run. I tell you. So hear me I say, when me talk to you, when you listen what me I say, I feel your own good and it not hurt you, me not kill you.
Alright, me not do it again. But other day when the guy come here, because of Abby. Because Abby say want to see him and choose she my big sister. Yes. And she if I did all the company veranda, we never do nothing bad.
So that means to say other day when he called me and tell me about JPS. No, Gus.
And as the boy come, same time you come.
This is what I say. When our sister, you don't feel like loving, you don't can't live. So I will talk to Abby. Because I see where all of this I come from. You know. I talk to her and you just make me stay right here. So I'm go no further with it. If anyhow, none of you do nothing more in here, you know, I'm going to mash you down. So the other one I go take heed. You hear me say? Go and go do your project. Yeah, I'll be so to my sister. Jesus Christ. And not even one me have, you know, two and something. Father God, only you one know, only you alone know God when you go through. No, sir.
Get back her everything can done. We probably say something.
hope we find it.
Them still in there sleeping. And girl, Rihanna, ease up here now. We are going to run go before you come back down.
And that I want to do. So I'll be walking different with you now.
What you mean? What you talking about?
Because I see what the officers done on night tree, so I just have to ask I want to you.
If you see mommy come, just tell me. Girl, that's some things I think about. Like, I think about my life, everything, how mommy treat me. Girl, I think mommy prefer Crystal over me. I'm not fear think them something there no cause that's not good for me or whatever. But I just feel say she rather Crystal over me because she treat Crystal better than me. She give her princess treatment and one bag of something, girl. If something for do in her house, and me. And Crystal sit down there. Now do nothing. I want bag of something. Girl, I don't know. I just fed up. Girl, some reasoning I see mommy I give Crystal. She not give me them type of reasoning there. A road me have to go and hear when people talk certain things and know as a big girl. Me I tell her, mommy treat me different, girl.
My girl, I really this year stress over you in her school and something.
Go home before the rain come back down. Better me never see nothing to her. That's why people don't keep friends, you know. Babe. Yes, mommy. Me, I go kill her. Look how girl you me a talk to you now. I bet me tiffling one take one stone and bust in head. And me say if you do what me tell you do in your house already.
We can't do nothing in my piece.
Are you me a talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you a suck up your teeth, man? Who you a suck up your teeth, man? Look girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me? I have to tell you, don't ramp with me. You say you. Go on, man, go on.
Can't bother no man. When did me can't do so much? You know what? Me text my sister.
Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in a town and come back. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make your place wet up. And close the pan the line, right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
Girl, she gone. I can't come now.
So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come?
Where see I go on now, girl? Cause you know how mommy she check your hand. But if we did want to come here when she there, you know, cause I wear something about my name, but she all load up her mouth and be the most way.
Girl, don't worry about mommy, yeah. Me say, before mommy go away, she a go say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room.
I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that cause anyway me feel for go me and go, you know. So you see I go and know sis, I pray for you.
Me not even know, cause right now me the ears bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place who can go.
Girl,
Cause see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she a come back.
no, so do me have one spot we could go go hang out if I want guest house. Me I tell her say up I guest house nice, you know, girl, they have pool, bar, you know all of the little good there.
That sound boring though, sis. But since I say guest house, all I do get some people and we go over there enjoy ourselves.
But you know? Yeah, girl, you know, see, alright, do what you think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get somebody, you know, because, but sure, if I told you I'm going to go boring, see who me can get to.
You know, so I'm not get the money now.
What you mean you don't get the money? So when you tell me say you don't get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something here, no man. Eh? You can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday the labor day, you know, so could money send but I could get for college car holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Acha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
Me busy. You all at today, so tomorrow thing that, doesn't matter.
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the my agenda tomorrow still. You know, so. Man, we can go on tomorrow.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them that text back, you know. They might say one of them might say, give me all care buckle. And the rest of them might text back right now. People they like them willing to come, girl.
Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go we just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here so the guest house there?
You guess us not that far, girl. Like, just one little walk, you know, far.
Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know lame party we are going to keep.
Yeah, man, alright. How we do
Alright,
that?
sis.
So, girl, they really think that Jay will come to you?
Girl, once I invite Jay, will come. And what's so special about Jay?
Girl, they know how long me have a crush for him. And I just know her from a long time. So you can't do anything, you know. So, you know what?
Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl.
You know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see. Hey, you sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Cause you never get away from me. No. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up. Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something. Me should come here and see you know. Because guess what? You choose, you know, come here so. So me don't know what you come here can do. Don't run and look for me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose for left here so.
I go and me did I go away. I Kayla, me care something come let off and me did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left your place. Kayla, you will see me really talk on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man? What kind of party we you not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you no can trick me no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy. I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with that prank with you, mommy. See, if when next
See
year,
phone here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video. We did not make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never know like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What?
I something me come to go and drop off true. I something me come to go and drop off to Kayla and then no.
Hey, you see her? No tell me no lie.
But me not tell no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me a phone. Where your phone there?
Kayla, what's not the phone there?
What ya? What ya? Your phone dead. Your phone just dead, mommy. Your phone dead.
You, sit down there, so. Me call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all of my plan there what uno say uno make, it not happen because you mash up. And let me tell you something, you see, give me, as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idea about phone dead and all these things. Actually, I don't know about them my phone here, you know. That's why I take me for papi show. But here what, uno brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Jesus.
I don't know what we are going to do.
Girl?
We should come in. We should come in.
Yes, people, you know, say the last of the movie. And
hope you enjoy it. And make sure you
like and subscribe
and share the video.
Big up on yourself so we can get more to it. Please, I want you know, say I know she's not no baby. She's not no man, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm a baby then.
Bye,
Still.
guys.
Thank you for watching.
Just give me a second. I don't know what call me them I was on night. How would it? So this woman I don't know say different times. He got hung up though. I can't him up. I know I send her money already, so I can't money him call me back for ask about her now. And he knows say different time. I call her back.
Hello. You know, you feel like saying not me that beg you know, and you pick me did I call you about.
What happened with that? What happened with that? What happened?
The other day me come in and she and the other sister, the other one, I chat about party and boyfriend and condom and me have to just come in and mash up his seize them phone and them something there. You understand me?
So sis, what do you think I go happen when she call the father? Boy, me not too worry now because me know what go happen.
She will call daddy. I want to tell daddy about how say me a plan to go meet up with man and go out with man and then things like a party. I better say it go happen and daddy go to me to turn up here.
Sis, if you bill off 5 phone is still, you know, both you are run with. Suppose you go to the road and something bad happen to you.
But girl, me know the streets, I'm in the street code, and right now in my time and day, you can't just have parents locked in a house like say you're a hostage. You have to go out and enjoy yourself and things. You know, nobody can tell me for eat that. Worst nice streets, what me know about stuff, nobody can tell me for eat that.
The boy tease you know here, you know? Girl. But I'm glad that you're still sister girl.
Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem to keep her, you know, as she did get up, you know, and left the yard. And you as a father, we should have tell her, say, go on back to your mother and have manners to your mother. You take her up and make stepmother have him down there and sitting. So you must, me okay. Me not have no problem. Alright then. Yeah. Oh, me can't bother phrase. Hey.
Jerry!
Oi, me a come then.
How is she there? You come with the water, you know, I want to talk to you.
So, how me can call me so? How?
So, me carry water come there. But me need to talk to you about your daughter. You see what I mean? She not no behavior. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Because you don't know what she don't tap tease me dog, you know. And you know how it go, you know. When dog bites somebody, how much million and me no have it. You see what I mean? You need to talk to her, you need to warn her. When she come or she a pass, she don't need to say nothing. Leave the dog alone. Because me not go respond if something go wrong, you know, because if she get bite, you don't run, maybe you run come say me dog bite. You see what I mean? I don't find out where you go, but she a tease the dog, she a provoke the dog. And any day that dog bite you, who? Make you know from warn her. Tell her to leave me dog alone.
Me apologize on behalf of my daughter, right? And me thank you for telling me. But hold on there. Which one of them can know a two daughter? Which one?
The fear complexion one. Not the dark one, the one that's quiet. But she not quiet. She a troublemaker. She only act like she quiet. I mean, know everything so that little girl was a quiet little girl, nice girl. But when me see her, I trouble them, I couldn't believe. Say she shouldn't do that. You say I mean, I tease the dog, I trouble the dog. And if the dog bite her, how you go? You say I mean?
Alright, me really sorry about that. And it not going to happen again. Me telling me apologize. Me sorry about that. Me talk to her. I understand. Me sorry about that. Me apologize. Understand me, right? Please and thanks. And thank you for your water too. You hear?
You're welcome. You know, say me and your friend for a long time,
man.
but you need to talk to that little girl. Because she get bite by the dog, me no respond. You hear what me say? Talk to her. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Alright.
Man, what that money call me for? Every minute this lady call me and I bother my brain. I said last night, you know, the lady call me. What do you believe what she call me for? She called me from weird in the back room in a Kayla. Only if you know see a remote this lady I come in contact up. Right her bedside table right beside her bed. I can't bother.
As some mommy stay in a girl, you better your answer. You better your answer because you know mommy head chip and want part.
Chop, I'm not answering up. Come on girl, go over this to go sit down.
So I think we can do sis.
We can't go no places, girl, no places. You know me have my links.
I really up this over in there. I hear me a call and then now answer. It's alright. You know, hear me? You come here and call you right here. Eh? You know that you're there, I say there, me a call you know here. Because girl, you know want to mash you up in here. You hear me I tell you? Listen to me. Let me tell you this. And me I adult in here there. Me, I know you. And you see all of them foolishness there where you're going with, when you cut out it. Because you see if you don't cut out it, you're going to see what happens between me and you. You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up! Shut up and not tell me nothing. Shut up your mouth. You see all you up there? You will make him come here and influence you. You will mash up it to a woman in here. Me will mash up it to a woman. When you tell me say you're getting money, brother, I can't deal with them something right now.
Better say it don't happen and they go to me quick turn up here.
And you pitney me did I call you about?
See me care water from me. But me need to talk to you about your daughter.
You hear me? You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up!
No, Tisha. For real now. Answer me for real. Where you go?
Kayla, I'm not stay here, Kayla, because I have to come here good and 2 times for me come and get liquor ready. Right? This is how many him worth of account life on me. I make me get lick 1 more time on that. Nah, stay here. Nobody beat you.
Tisha, I know you not answer my question. No, I never ask you that. I ask you say where you go or where you go stay. You idiot. I know you don't have no money. You know. You don't have no money for you to take care of yourself out on the road. I hope I don't know boyfriend you go to, you know. Because me call mommy and make sure come here with police and know what they have to do with you.
You see over here, them I go hide some things I go pick up for my daughter. That's a little one day.
So, talking about her. You like to talk to her, man. Because she even afraid of the dog, no, she not even look for the dog again, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know me, me talk to them, man, because they know me will mash them down. But anyway, still, you know me, they want to talk to you, though, because it's about now a bare little thing, you know. See me lose all my work and...
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, man, all the little piece of land where we have me a plan for you sell it and do a little business and then something this.
It's a land where me are you...
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Selling land now, you know how land thing going up, value go up. So right about now, you're going to sell it for little or nothing or whatever, and then now, when the right time comes, you get a money for that time, the money show up. What make you don't really want to sell it?
Well, I'm going to tell you already, man, I lose the little work, man, and remember say me with the 2 girls, remember say one of them a pine up, and the next one, no have no pine up. So, and the other one, the one when I'm up at college, she want to go, and that's why I tell her, say, I don't want to sell the land and just do because the bills them are coming and the pressure is on, brother, the pressure.
You know what
man.
Sis, can you just sit down and talk about this young man? Tisha, tell me the honest truth. What's the problem? Like, why you always like this? You can't open up to me when you can't tell me anything. What happened?
Kayla, you ever realize, say, we life not easy, we life hard. Like, we don't do nobody nothing, right? And then we always a struggle and I go through way. Look at it, all mommy, she always a struggle and I go through and she don't do nobody nothing. Me can't bother. You realize that everybody in this community here, they live them same boring life, they stuck in a one place. I don't want to sit down like them until me dead.
I understand, you know, but running away not gonna make it better. Tisha, imagine you go to the road as a woman, as a little girl. You know what things can happen to you? In a day time you can't trust people. Out there not safe. You have me as a sister where you can't trust. Remember we're young, you know? Just have patience. And nobody will be running away business, girl. Do this.
And some people always say about how we have patience, right? So till we get old and even enjoy our life. But me will take your advice and me will listen to you and me will stay. But just see that man will tell life and about how some trouble him dog, me will get back at him some way somehow. Me will plan up something for him.
Tisia, honestly, I always get in a trouble, you know.
And nothing like that. And we're gonna cause no trouble nor no problem. Come and tell her what you're gonna do.
First, I will get some cold water. You're easy, you know, girl. But alright, me I go help you.
You don't want you hold on a college thing, you know, because future that you don't know. But if you sell a piece of land, say a college, I want to wait. Because you know the amount of benefit of some land can run and go towards. Yo, I don't know. But it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense of thinking of selling. Or if there is no other solution where, yeah, you're a friend, you know. Yeah, I could have even butt in and help you, you know. But you know the thing set. You say me because that's a land there. I want to wait. Just hold off on the selling a land thing. Yeah.
Yeah, me I hear you. But me I listen to your answer still now. Me I do it, me I deal with you now. But here what you say if nothing else come up, me not have no other choice.
Something must come up, man, now we can deal with and just start. Me help you, man. We are friends, you know.
It's just something, man. It's just too much for me head now,
You
man.
understand, me
know
understand.
can't-
Losing your job, I want
You
to
understand? It
real.
stress me out, man.
You understand.
I mean, have a girl, them, and I want to make sure so they good and, you know, get them education. Remember, say we don't get it like that. We know, you understand?
That's true.
So, me want them, especially want to go to college.
You understand, man, but hold on for the selling a land, because you don't know, something have to come up.
Alright.
You think about something and see what we can do.
Alright. Me I go hold off then.
Alright. Why? The people are living. No. The plan is to have salad. I think it's the like having salad. Why don't you get that out of that? He help her. I understand what she has about, you know. But they can't sell the land. Can't sell that salad, man.
It's a puppy show, yeah. Where your sister there?
She in there, son.
Tisia!
Yeah?
Mommy, I call you.
Yes, ma'am.
Serious are your things them because your so-called stepmother says she not carry them come. But your father say, as a friend today, I up you so you go stay. You not go back down so you not have nobody have for your mind down so. You understand me? So you see any little thing in the field, you out of yourself and grinding, nobody will me mash you down. You hear me say, miss?
Yes, mommy. Well, to be honest, I never plan to go back down there. Because I did still not me and think about the whole situation and everything. And I not get no trouble nor no problem, so you don't have to worry about that.
Kayla, where your sister there? Are you attacked, sir?
Yes, mommy.
No, sir. Wait there. What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago?
I not get back no trouble, mommy.
No, sir. I know you talk. Father God answer my prayer.
You see, girl, she fine. She like, you know, girl. She buy girls. So even if we get catch, she not go think see away.
You're not easy, no, you're not easy. But at the last time, I do this video, you know. Anyways, remember to take out the jug out of the fridge before mommy see it, because you know normally keep this up.
Kayla? Kayla?
Yes, mommy.
Come here. So Kayla, how you don't feel if you go college or university overseas?
Mama, me never really did think about that, you know. But I say when I left school, I go look work, go do our thing like that because you know I have no money. I never did have that part of my brain. But I love to go do.
Don't worry about that, man. That's something when me see where you can get a scholarship from out here if you go over there. You understand? All your grades them are for you. Your grades them are for up there. But the information there on the phone about I think I was 96 or 100. You can look on here and see.
Them I say grade that is 96 100 average. Me can't get that, mommy. Me can't manage to get that.
I tell them, you know, try not get yourself in no trouble. Understand? Because I didn't look at something at least you could think. You know, I don't know community go and mix it up with nobody. I mean to say if this thing comes through for you, you can't get it because you mix up with Dick Tom and Harry, Mary and Mary to Jane. Because more you get through, I know this comes through for you, so you get a better life, better future. You understand me?
But I'm not mix up myself with nobody in the community. I'm not getting no trouble. No, I'm not getting no trouble. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed the little video and I'm asking you guys to like, share, subscribe.
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Yes, and there's more to it.
And put up the comment section.
Thank you for watching.
And me here to not ask you IG and name comment. Anyways, when I want to go follow me TikTok, my name Ufay with 2B _ TC TECII and me I look for him. And you see my Instagram now. And where they? Me tell you my Instagram is it with a Z _ your _ girl _ TC with 3I. Thank you.
Okay, I don't have it.
Oh, the _official Kayla 877. That's my Instagram page. Bye.
Bye guys.
And action.
Ticia, where you go? You idiot? How you look from the
If you look Mayo, if you look Mayo.
Come again.
Action.
Ticia.
Action.
Me say Ticia, where you go? You idiot? Me know you don't have no money to go out there and even take care of yourself when you reach out the road. I hope I don't have money I got to in a little girl. No, wait, sorry. That's what I say so much to a little girl.
And action.
Ticia. Kayla, you ever realize say we like
Miss Heman. Yeah, I know you have voice, you know. I know. So you can't even look in her bag meanwhile she talk to you. And you listen to her like she a cuss. And you look for your sister same time too. So after action and action. Your father say up here at and from now. After action and action.
Your father say up here stay as a from now. So no going back down so for you.
Alright folks, the reason why I'm a post everything, like put everything together and just post them on this channel is because I remember that thing that I telling about and forget everybody together in a one place and then sometimes some people start work. Yeah, that happened again. So but I plan to make it in a series, but two of the person them start work now and it just wouldn't make no sense the amount of time I get out of the week. So yeah, so that's how I post them. Oh, yeah, so anyways, soon with some more content. Don't know what else I'll cook up and show about it, but stay tuned. Subscribe for your first time and soon in the near future. Later.